to the video, I'll be talking about spotting a trend using candlesticks. I've been talking a lot about spotting trends, higher trends, uptrends, lower trends, sideways moving markets. So today we're just gonna take a quick look and do it on actual candlesticks, right? So we're looking at gold on a daily chart, right, guys? So we're just gonna get right into it. So just looking at this, guys, we can clearly see we can just see the overall market, what the market is doing, right? So just starting from here, you can see that the market was moving up. It created a high, it came down to give us a higher low, it pushed high to break the recent high, came back for our retest, only to create a new higher high, right? So this was a clear uptrend, guys. Remember, this would have been our resistant turned support, right? As price created this high, came down, broke it, like you see, it played above for a while, but it didn't really go below, and then retest, and then buyers came in, and then the market went up, right, guys? And then we can see once this high was created, price failed to move any higher, right? So now, as we can see, we have price that is moving in a downward movement, right? So here we can clearly see that we have our lower low, right, and then our lower high, and then we have a lower low, lower high, lower low, which broke the previous low, right? Lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, right? So as we can see, that price was moving in an upward direction from here to here. Then once it got there, it started moving downward, right? And then now, as we can see, let me just remove these. And now in the current state, as we can see, price is starting to move up again, right? So it seems as if this was a impulse to the upside, and this was a correction, and now price is continuing with that impulse, right? So if we take a closer look, guys, we will see that price is actually moving in a higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, high sequence. And the nice thing is, as we can see, our support actually held up quite nicely. Price came, created this high, remember? So this was our starting point. It created this high, came down, broke, then went up above. It came back into this high, which is now a support, right? And then gave us a double top to confirm that price is not going any lower than this. And then with this double top, once it breaks the neckline, once the neckline is broken, once we see momentum shift to the upside, which means that the bulls have stepped in, taking control, once we notice this double top. So this would have been a perfect buying opportunity. Stop loss anywhere below your support, and then take profit. You can have your 1:1, 1:2, which is our recent higher low, which is our resistance at this point. You can take your targets there, or depending on how ambitious you are, you can even push it to the top, right? Which would be our other resistant level. There we go. So in this situation, guys, what we would be looking for, as I said, that in an uptrend market, we're only looking for buys, right? So as the market is moving in a higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high sequence. As you can see, what I was saying, that with every high there's a higher low that's created, a high, a higher low, high, higher low, high, right? And then just to put our minor resistance, so this is a major resistance point and this is a minor, right? So as you can see, guys, as price is pushing up, coming down, pushing up, coming down, it's respecting this high, right? Pushes up, come down, respects this high, pushes up. So now we're anticipating that price is gonna come down at some point, and then once it gets here, what are we going to do? So we just anticipating a reversal. It can be anywhere, and then once we get this, notice a momentum shift to the upside, we go in for our buys. All right, guys, but then this is on a daily, so what could happen is it can take a week or even 2 weeks. It can take 2 days, depending on how volatile the market is, how much volume there is in the markets in the weeks to come. So depending on, you know, all of that, it can take some time for the market to get here. So what I would do in this situation is I would simply set an alert so that whenever price does get here, I get a notification on my phone, and then I know it's time for me to start monitoring gold. You know, you can't always be looking at the chart, guys, when there's no opportunities, unless if you want to sell, but that's moving against the trend, and I don't like doing that, because from here price can actually set a level and continue moving up. So that's why I would rather wait for a retest and then catch the movement all the way from down here, moving to our resistance point of 1946, right? Now, guys, so on a live chart, that's simply how we would spot our trends, you know. So in this video, we basically spotted both trends, which was our uptrend, downtrend, and then double top. I will make a video specifically more on patterns, guys. When we talk about candlestick patterns, these are our double tops, you know, our double bottoms, our double tops, your head and shoulder patterns, your doji stick candles, and all of that. So I will make a video talking more about that, but for now I just want us to focus more on, you know, how to read the market, how to see where the market condition is. You know, are we in an uptrend, are we in a downtrend, are we moving sideways? So as we can see, guys, gold is moving very, very nice. So should price come back here, we're going to be buying from here till here, and then if we get a break above, I'm a break and retest trader. If we get a break above, I wait for another retest, and then we buy from here to here, right? That's simply how we do it, guys. All right, guys, I hope you guys would enjoy the video and you will learn something. Stay tuned, I will be dropping more videos. Please subscribe and like. It's your boy Scoop signing out.